This 5-minute solution will show you how to change cover photo on Facebook page. Follow these easy steps to do it. Launch your Facebook app and sign into your Facebook account. Now we need to switch to the page where we want to add a cover photo. So tap on menu at the bottom right and tap on this arrow icon and select the page where you want to change cover photo. And now we need to open our page profile. So tap on this profile at the top left and you will jump into your profile. Now tap on this camera icon and tap on upload photo. And now you can select a different photo from your gallery. Tap on done and you can drag the photo and tap on save. And this is how we can change cover photo on Facebook page. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.